This is a dude right here.
Is that a door? I'm gonna actually try and dig it out with the shovel for a minute, and we're gonna try and give it a quick push. Okay. Yep, of course. All right, guys, so we just finished one rainy recovery, and now we're on to another one. So we're gonna get these guys out of here. I guess this Wrangler wasn't properly in four-wheel drive to begin with. Hello, hello. Let me get in front of it. Is that a door? That's wild.
Yeah, they got stuck. It's in 4-low right now, but they're like basically bottomed out.
Yeah, I guess it. I don't think it was all the way in four-wheel drive at first.
No, I see it on the dash now, but I definitely wasn't engaged at first.
Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi.
Yeah, their chassis is basically just sitting on the fan.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, lady. What are your names? It's okay. I work on the sand all day. Michaela.
Maria.
Maria, Johnny. Nice to meet you. All right. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
This is what we do all day.
I don't think I'll need the door, but that's some valiant effort right there. I gotta respect that right there.
Work, to be honest.
Oh man.
Get underneath it.
Yeah, hard to get underneath it for sure. All right, get this thing out of here before it starts raining too much. Yep. Hi. All right. So basically what I'll probably do, I can get a bridle on the front, I'll get a rope on it, and I'll just pull you guys out of here. Once I get you up on top, you won't get stuck again. I think you were in two-wheel drive probably at first.
Yeah.
And hey, it happens to the best of us. It happens to the best of us. It's okay. But we're gonna get you out of here, and at least now you know for next time, so it'll be all right. It'll be all right. Sounds good. Yeah, it wouldn't matter. Yeah, it happens all the time. You're not the first. You're the 1000th, so it's okay. Don't worry.
We believe 1 of 1,000.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, the tops are awesome. The matching tops are fire. I dig it. I dig it. It's a good look. You look like you're good for the beach.
I'm okay with you saving.
I'm okay with posting it.
Cool, awesome. All right, so basically I'll just get hooked up to it, and then I'll give you some instructions after that. Okay? All right, awesome. Guys, Christian behind the camera right now, grinning. Bro, how did I lose a
Long shackle? Oh, or sleeve at the ramp, maybe.
what
Without
the?
It probably just whipped off.
Oh, when I was pulling it from around his truck. I bet you it's over there.
Probably still is, but we have to try.
Yeah, I'll go get it after this. We don't need it. It'll be all right. Oh, you know what? I don't even need them. Even better. Not that I don't love those hooks, but you know, they're convenient.
They are convenient. That's true. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. He digs that. All right, so I'm just gonna want you in there, just keep the wheel straight with me, put it in drive, and give me a little bit of gas, okay? And I'm just gonna pull on it. It'll give a little bit of a jerk, but it won't be too bad. And once you're up out of the hole, you'll be just fine, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Is it still spinning a little bit? Give it a tiny bit of gas. Yep, we're good. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, that does sound pretty good when it's pulling. I like that.
Just wait till the supercharger comes on.
Shh, don't say that on video. Then it puts pressure on us.
Yeah, I know, that's the point.
See, that wasn't too bad, right? Ugh. Okay.
I'm just gonna pay you half on the thing. I feel like Bella was half the problem, you know what I mean?
You got out, that's all that matters. And if you put it in 4-wheel drive before you get out here, you'll be just fine.
Oh, it's in 4.
Yeah.
I put it right back.
And make sure when you get back on the concrete in neutral, back in 2-wheel drive. Okay? All right. All right. You want to email, text, or no receipt?
No receipt.
Okay. All right, ladies. Have a good day, okay?
Saving our lives.
Yep, of course. It's honestly a good title right there. Thank you for saving our lives.
Oh, what's wrong with that?
Oh.
5 minutes later.
Oh goodness, my magnet's almost up. Okay. Alrighty guys, oh my God, my hair. Alrighty guys, we just got that Jeep Wrangler out and now we're pulling up on a Sienna. The rain has lightened up thankfully, so hopefully we can get these guys out of here before it rains again. Hi.
Hello, sir.
How you doing? What's your
Well,
name?
My name is Annie.
Annie John, nice to meet you.
I tried.
Yeah, hey, that's what matters,
And then
right?
I stopped trying.
That's fair. You don't want to try too much in this case.
No, sir.
That's fair.
A lot of work.
At least you know better.
Well, I was like, you know, can you just push me from the front? Because I don't care about the weight, you know.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
whatever. But how are you just gonna?
Yeah, I should be able to hook up from the back and get a rope on it and pull you out of here. She's about it.
Get in here, man. This is a dude right here. I mean, are you kidding me?
There you go. Good job. All right, let me see how I'm gonna hook up to this thing.
Oh.
I don't think it's got any hook points for me.
That's why I have got to install a hitch.
Yeah, that would be
Hey,
awesome.
do you install hitches?
I do not, but there are people that do. I'm too busy.
You are busy. Because, I mean, come on.
I know, I had so many people call me at once.
5, 6
Oh.
holes.
Because
Once the rain
immediately.
started.
All right, here's what we're
I
gonna.
didn't think about it. The sand.
I'm gonna
going.
actually try and dig it out with the shovel for a minute, and we're gonna try and give it a quick push with us pushing forward, because if that works, we can just get you turned around. If not, we'll figure it out from there.
It won't turn around. It's too soft.
Well, no, if we get you on that hard sand, I can absolutely get you turned around.
Gotcha.
If not, we'll figure out how to hook up to it. Oh. Okay. All right. You got traction control off?
I do not have traction control at all.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
I can play with it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Look, this is your. Do not cut your monkey self. Look, and I mean it.
Oh.
It's got a.
Up, slot, down is unlocked.
That's legit.
You hear
Well,
me?
thank you. Hell
that
yeah.
one's bigger.
Okay.
This is for your friend.
Oh, awesome. Sweet.
That
Thank
one's
you,
the
guys.
littler one for you.
Oh, my gosh. You guys are the
Okay.
best. Oh, hell yeah.
Do
I'm pulling you
not-
out for free.
Do not
Get
cut
you out of here for
yourself.
free.
Do you hear me?
Okay,
So
I'll
what
try.
do you mean positive?
I'm
There's
just making
nothing-
sure. No, you're sure? Okay.
It's
Up
a
here.
2007, so there's nothing.
Well, you'd be surprised. Some of them do, but you're right. I don't see
I
it.
haven't had anything that I.
All right, so
I knew it did. I'd be on it.
put it in drive. I'm gonna yell aloud. 3, 2, 1. Just a tiny bit of gas, and just see if it crawls forward. Okay?
Put it in drive.
Yep, in drive.
Okay.
You're gonna have to help me push. You ready? All right. 3, 2, 1, go. And straighten the wheel out. Go, go, go. Keep going. Keep going. All right, now whip a big U-turn. Go, go, go. Heck yeah. That's awesome. There you go. Look at you go. No, absolutely not. And you gave me them knives. Get out of here, girl. You're good.
You're good?
There you go. Have a good one, guys. She's awesome. I wish everyone had that kind of attitude. There you go. We got them. Everyone's happy. We got some cool knives. Here, look. I'll show you guys now that we're out of the rain. Our gifts here. Look at this, dude. Freaking all kinds of. Look at that.
Oh, that's good.
And there's multiple of them.
Heck yeah.
I don't even know if I can. Oh, yeah, I can open this. Let's see here. Look at that, dude. USA stainless steel. That's worth it for me, baby. Hell yeah. See ya. What's up, buddy? Having a hard time getting it out of here? So, I think the quickest, easiest way to get you out is got those front hooks there. So I can basically put the bridle up to those, get a rope on it, and I'll see if I can bop you up right here, and then we would just try and get you back up in the lane. And like you said, I'll just bring you down to the next ramp and get you on out of here.
We need O2 back.
Yeah, dude.
O2 doesn't click.
I know. I wouldn't be surprised if they pop on this tug. I'm almost, I go 30. Man. You got the room for it.
Yeah. It's mostly going up the ramp.
Window roll down? Oh. Oh, I hear you. Okay. Alright. Try and crawl forward. Are you still moving at all, or is it frank? It was still moving a tiny bit? Are you in for high or low? Alright, go ahead and put it in low. So it didn't. Get it off already.
I prefer my V6s
Alright,
for off
there we
road.
go. Side note, these axles are scaring the crap out of me.
That's what we were talking about.
Yeah, it's like clicking just from each turn. It's like I would be surprised if they like this one. Yeah, hopefully not.
Yeah.
I can get you out, but this is the fun way, but I don't want to blow it. So.
Let's get that hard, man.
Right, so I'm just going to put the winch on and slow crawl you, and once we get you over here, you might even be able to get out on your own, or I can assist for you.
Yeah.
But it's just because it's already so down there.
Yeah.
Can you grab the remote for me real quick? Yeah, make sure it works.
Yup.
I think only because it kind of bottlenecks up there, I'm just going to put the rope back on and we'll assist together. That way we don't have to worry about you getting stuck trying to get out of here. want to leave some tension on it, but I still want you to help me so I'm not pulling you dead weight. It'll really matter the most when we come around the ramp. Alrighty. For low, you could tell. Did you go back into high for a minute there?
Yeah.
Oh, is it low?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, low will be good. Just because when it gets stuck like that, you can tell it's hard to get power.
2 very boring minutes later.
Good job. Oh yeah, busy day. And we tell people if you go further south, it gets better. Like 10, 15 minutes it flattens out. They almost let you go drive. Have a good one, man. Well, there you go, guys. That was a little bit of an interesting one, but we got her done. So we'll see ya.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.